Have you started your YouTube channel recently or thinking of to start a YouTube channel and you're thinking like you'll become a star overnight? No, not like that. You have to follow few simple tricks and tips to succeed on YouTube, which I have followed, so that thought of sharing those tips and tricks with you guys. So stick till the end to understand what I have did and how I have succeeded on YouTube in just 6 months. Hi, I'm Sindhu Priya. I'll be doing different content on my channel. This is a special video because I'm going to share my YouTube story. I'm going to say when I have started my YouTube channel and how I have achieved 10,000 subscribers in just 6 months. So you don't need to have a good reach in the beginning, but if one of your upload goes viral, then everything might just work out for you, as it happened to me. And I'm going to say what I have learned in this journey. So I have a message for you at the end, so stick till the end. If you are thinking you are not getting good reach and you are not getting enough views and subscribers, so this video is for you. So this video is something which you really need to watch. So keep watching. So recently people started congratulating me for hitting 13k subscribers and 11 million channel views on YouTube in such a short period of time. Such a short period of time? No, let me tell you one thing, this is not a short period of time. It took me 2 years. Let me tell you one thing, I already have a follower base of 140k followers on TikTok. So that's why it happened really fast. And if you have a fan base on any other social media platform, it is a bit easy to divert your followers or fans to another platform just like me. Please don't think that I have got easy followers or subscribers in just a short period of time. So after TikTok banned in India, I have started YouTube channel, and my first upload was not before 6 months, it's 2 years back. That is when I have started doing my TikToks. Everyone's story is different. Some might get good response in less time and some might take very long time. It depends upon various factors. So 2 years back when I have started doing TikTok videos, I don't have much knowledge about YouTube, and I thought like, what is YouTube? And I was like, okay, let me try YouTube. And I was like, let me upload one of my TikTok video so that it will be like a memory for me. And I have uploaded my first TikTok, very first TikTok on YouTube. And I have titled it as my first TikTok video on this YouTube channel. I just uploaded it as a formality, like I have forgotten that I have uploaded my TikTok on this YouTube channel. And then I used to use TikTok much, like 20 videos, sometimes 25 videos in a day. And I used to use TikTok very much. And then after doing TikTok videos for 1.5 years, one of my TikTok video went viral, and then I have gained above 150k followers and 20 million videos and 1 million likes. And later on my followers dropped to 140k and 140k remained constant, and then slowly it went to 141k and 142k. It started growing slowly, and then last year as I was growing on TikTok, and then it got banned in India, which is very sad. And then I was like, oh no, I have lost all my followers, like 140k. It's not a small number, it's a big number for me. Like a small creator, it's a big number for me. Then I was like, no, this is not the end. I have to get my followers back on YouTube. And then I have started my YouTube channel last year, which is September 2020. Then I have started YouTube channel and I kept myself consistent, like one upload for a week. When I have started my YouTube channel, the reach was not that bad. It was like, okay, I have started my YouTube channel at 50 subscribers, and then I have got above 500 views. That's not a bad reach, like it's a very good reach for me. And I have continued doing YouTube videos and I get myself consistent. And while starting my YouTube channel, I was very nervous and I have so many thoughts in my brain, like how people will receive my content and how people will react. And I was literally sweating when I was shooting my very first YouTube video, which is a new start in 2020, which I have titled it as new start in 2020, I think so. I was very nervous, like I have spoke out with my own voice for the very first time. I was very happy with the response which I have got on my first official YouTube video. People started congratulating me and I have good response. And there is another side of the story. Few people criticized me and they started commenting me, and few people have laughed at me also. That was another story. One thing that I want to say to all the creators is, don't listen to people, even it is good or bad. People gonna say, like, at the beginning when you are starting something, people start bitching about you, and then if you got succeeded, and then those people will congratulate you. So don't be sad or don't be nervous while you are starting doing something good for yourself. Do what you want to do. Don't listen to people, and which I have did. So keep your content consistent. In January 2020, like I have started in September, October, November, December, January, which is 5th month after starting my YouTube channel. I have noticed a sudden increase in my views. Like I was like, why I have gained this many views? And then I have checked my YouTube channel and I have checked my uploads, and it was my first upload, which is 2 years back. That is my first TikTok video. Like I have forgotten that I have uploaded it. And the reason why it got that sudden increase in views is because YouTube have introduced shorts, which is new feature in YouTube. So every video which is under 60 seconds, it got included in YouTube shorts. YouTube started promoting YouTube shorts feature, and then lot of videos went viral. Lot of people's videos went viral which are under 60 seconds. That is one of the reason which my video went viral. And second thing is, I have followers base on TikTok. These are the two things which played major role in my YouTube journey. In a span of 6 months, I have reached 10,000 subscribers and 8 million channel views on my YouTube. Like I have felt very happy and very grateful for all the support that I have got. Then I have started getting brand collaborations with small brands and big India's largest brands, and still I'm getting views on my first upload, which is my first TikTok video. It's still getting views and I'm still gaining subscribers because of that video. And now it was like around 13k subscribers and 11 million channel views on my channel. In this journey I have learned a lot of things like editing videos, graphic designs, and creating YouTube thumbnails, and lot of editing skills. I have learned lot of editing skills. I felt like when we were kids, our parents used to say, get good marks in 10th class. Then I felt that when I have reached 1k subscribers, it was like getting a good marks in 10th class. So our parents used to say like, get good grades in inter and your life gets sorted. That was what I felt when I have hit 10,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And after getting 10k subscribers, I felt like, okay, it's working for me, and this is one thing for me, I should continue doing YouTube. And let me tell you one thing, do not excite for the numbers. Even if you have 1 million subscribers, you keep on wanting them. Like it's a never ending process, which is a natural instinct that everyone have. So no need to worry about it. And I want to tell you one thing, and don't get scared. I'm not telling this to scare you, but it's a fact. As I said, this is not a platform which I have started newly and I have gained this many subscribers. I came to this stage in a short period of time. As I said, I already have a followers base on TikTok. So if you have good followers base on another platforms, it is easier to get them any other platforms. So you might not get that good response which I have got in this short period of time. And again, I'm not telling like you won't get this. You might get, it depends upon your talent and it depends upon your work. Now in my YouTube channel everything is going fine. I'm getting collaborations, still I'm getting good number of subscribers every day, and so I'm not gonna look back now itself because it's just a beginning. It might not be a big number for you like 13,000k subscribers. It is big for me as a small creator. It's not a big achievement. Gaining something is like a snowball effect. It might take a long time to get into a particular stage and it might take a less time getting into another stage. It's like a snowball effect. When you are beginning something, don't get scared. If you are getting even one view, then think that you are in a right direction. And the snowball effect in my story is like my first collaboration, which I have got a one collaboration in 6 months of time, and now it was like 6 collaborations a month. Like you can understand that effect. So while starting my YouTube channel, I did my introduction video which is trending 8 months back. At that time, after TikTok got banned in India, everyone started doing YouTube introduction videos. I thought, why not me? Because I have a good followers base on TikTok, so I thought of doing the same. And I have got very good response. And 3 months back, I have got my new mobile tab 4K. And while you're starting a YouTube channel, you don't need an expensive mobile or camera, or you don't need any setup. You just need to start with what you have. And in content creation, quality matters a lot. Even if it is a short video, quality matters a lot. If you don't have a good camera, try to shoot them in good sunlight, so it might help you in terms of clarity. You don't need everything at starting. So start with what you have. Even while starting, I don't have a mobile with good camera. So I used to shoot my videos in my father's phone like weekly once, and then I used to edit. My father phone is free, so that's how I have started. You can also start with what you have, so later you can upgrade everything if you think you are getting good response, or if you think it's worth it. And my best collaboration till now is like Jhula Daba. You can check the link in the description. I'll add that video in the description. That was the best collaboration, and that is also one of the best video on my channel ever. If you're a Hyderabadi, visit that place, or you can just check out the video. Like I felt very happy and grateful. I thought like I did something good for myself. Yes, I think I have achieved something. That was the day I felt very happy for myself. So don't just upload few videos. Don't always check your subscribers, views, because the more you check, the more you'll get stressed. Just keep on doing your videos and then you'll get a good response in future. I don't say like you'll get a good response just starting your channel, but definitely you'll get a good response in future, because no one knows like who will search for what at what time. Like we have no idea. All of a sudden we remember something and we'll start searching for it. So you might not get that good response in beginning, but you'll get good response later. So all I can say is just start it, just go for it. Very happy with the response that I have got in YouTube. I'll be very thankful for all my support, well wishers. I'll be always thankful for them. So at the end of this video, my message is good things takes time. It may be YouTube, it may be business, it may be job, or it may be anything that you want to do. Things will take time, and of course you need strong belief, desire, and most important thing, patience. These 3 things matters a lot in everything which you want to do. And remember, slow growth is also a growth. If you are really getting even 1 view, it shows that you are in a right direction. Like getting good response in beginning is not answer. So don't take it too hard for yourself. Like in the beginning, no one will get, like Narendra Modi is not prime minister by birth. He have worked a lot and he got that good position. So nothing will happen in the beginning, but you need to do something. Always appreciate yourself for doing something good for yourself. Keep writing your stories so that you can inspire a lot of people. And with this, I'm going to end this video. Give it a big thumbs up if this video have helped you anyway, so that I'll get inspired and motivated. See you in the next amazing video. Until then, bye.